My mom makes a for my mom and my dad and my sisters and my brothers. My I'm ready to learn and play. I'm ready, okay. I'm feeling okay. I'm ready, okay. I'm feeling okay. Your body. Please, have the cookies, please.
You're tired from school. Rest.
No, I don't. I'm not tired from school. Please, mommy, I just want to do this so cool.
It's okay. Enjoy.
Please, mommy, no, you don't have to do it. I want to do it, please. Please, mommy, please. Wait, are we supposed to? That's lime. What's, mommy, what's that? This is salmon. It's a rich food. It's rich and it's rich food. It's called salmon. That's vinegar. Mommy, how many dollars is salmon? I don't know.
This one is $35.
It depends. I think stores have it.
Yes, Papa. Thank you.
Mommy.
I've heard, Daddy. Thank you for the information.
I'm trying to draw a train and it crashed. Wait, didn't you say Mom said hi. What is your oil in? Mom, what is your oil in my veg? What is your oil food? Mama, what is that? No.
Salted butter.
Susie. Mom, I eat the water. Let's eat that. Can you eat some? Can you eat some, Mommy? I want to eat some. I want to eat that salted butter. I want to eat salted butter, Mommy.
Yeah, I'm gonna give her paper.
And put it here. And salted butter for us is gonna disappear, okay? And then it's gonna come back. Okay, you ready to see it disappear? 3, 2, 1. I'm making a video, so we have to be quiet, guys. Sorry guys, this is how it looks like. We also made my food, and my mom made some salmon and some sweet potatoes. It was just baked, and yeah. Oh. Come, let's make a smoothie. Gavina's gonna be making a smoothie. That was our request. Shane, no. Put it back, Shane. Oh, good job, Shane.
Good job, Papa.
I wanna.
No, it's okay, Papa. It's okay.
I wanna. It is 36. It is 9. Who? Infinity and 100 and 4,000. 4,000 can never. I this. Oh, eat that too. She don't touch anything. Too good prep. Funny time, mommy was good. Daddy was good. Daddy was good. But no one was. Thank you, mommy, so much. Thank you so much. Everyone wasn't good. You're the best mom ever.
Oh, you're the best baby
In
ever.
the whole earth. Mommy,
Yes,
mommy,
Papa.
my friend wasn't good to me.
Your friend wasn't good to you?
No, only one.
Only one.
What happened?
That's good. That's good, Papa.
There's 7 people.
What happened? What did you...
Only one was not good, right? What's his name?
Is it a boy or girl? He big.
He's big.
He has this top. He has this top. He has this top. Girl. Is a girl? No, it's a boy. I'm a 50-year boy. All your friends are boy. No, I don't do. No, all of them do. No, only one girl. Only one? What? I just one girl and 19 boys and one girl makes 20. No, I don't have 20. How much do you have? 9? 1, 2. You have 9 friends? You have like less than 50 friends? 7, 8. Never mind. That's gonna be daddy's. Mommy, I'm coming before my mom and my dad. And my dad is my brother.